Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your download location in Google Chrome. So, if you're tired of all your downloads going to the same old folder, stay tuned. First, let's open up Google Chrome. Once you have it open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on those. Now, from this drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Here, you'll need to scroll down until you find the Download section. Click on that to expand more options. Here, you'll see an option that says Location. This shows the current folder where all your downloads are being saved. To change this, simply click on Change. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to choose a new folder for your downloads. Select your preferred folder and click Select Folder. And that's it. You've successfully changed your download location in Google Chrome. See, that was super easy. Now you can keep your downloads organized just the way you like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.